Hello everybody, how are you? It's been a while. So I went out and about and I'm feeling a little bit better. I had to go out and about and do some Easter bunny shopping. And I went to Five Below, and I haven't been in Five Below probably since Christmas time. But the other day I got an unexpected Temu in, which was almost ordered 2 months ago, and they gave me my money back and gave me like credit, and it came. So I got 4 white permanent markers, which was cool, and then this paintbrush set. It's not the one I wanted, and I contacted them. They told me not to worry, it's mine, I don't have to worry about it. So they had messed up on my order anyways, but these are nice. So I got them. I got like this big size, and then the bigger one, and then a palette, spatula, or whatever you want to call it. This look like professionals, but they will be in when I get my hands on them. So that's a nice set in the case. So that's Temu. And then we went to Five Below, and I didn't get any Easter stuff there. Five Below was picked over, so I didn't put Dollar Tree and only spent. I found bottles like this. No, this one. Sorry, this one. You know, 2 for in a package. They had them in at the Dollar Tree. Diamond and I stopped at, which is a new one that kind of was built by Walmart, and so I got some of these. That's Dollar Tree, and then I put the other stuff away. But back to Five Below, because I still have a Temu order that is. I probably ordered it at the end of February, beginning of March, and I still haven't got it. It's going through customs, and I ordered some paintbrushes, so I ain't waiting no longer. So when I was at Five Below, these were $5. So my brushes have seen better days. I mean, I got a lot of brushes, but I well used them. So I picked this up, and then I do that memory book every year, and I picked this up, so I didn't buy one this year, and this was $5, and paper's decent, and there's a lot in here, so I'm hoping I can use this for my memory book. We will see how well it works. I already printed a bunch of stuff I have to put in a book, but I thought these were cool, and this is what we're going to test. These were $5, and they're acrylic spray paint. So let's see how good they are, shall we? Oh, and I treated myself when I was sick and got acrylic inks, and they are made by, oh man, I can't read it. Oh, Mario Montoro. Can you guys see that? What's that say, Allie?
Montmartre.
Okay, say it again.
Montmartre, I think.
Okay. They were like $24, I believe, on Amazon. So you got red, like it's teal, or not teal, blue, yellow, and orange, and white, like a mustard, a brown, a darker blue. This is not like a blue, it's like a green blue, neon green, purplish, black, and hunter green. So I got them. They're pretty cool looking, but I watched videos on that, and I made ink sprays too. Pretty good. So I made inks with them. So spray them in my mixed media book and stuff. So now back to I'm all over in this video, I tell you. Let's go back to the acrylic spray paint from Five Below. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. We got like a dark purple or dark pink. No, lighter pink. See the difference? Let's see how well they work. That's the key. That's not for $5. What the heck? Ooh, nice. Ooh. Now, one thing I'll be using a paintbrush because it sprays the way that spray came out. So that's the dark magenta. Then we have metallic pink. Maybe give it a shake. Maybe I should have shook the first one a little bit more. So, oh, sorry guys, forgot to get a baby wipe. Always clean your tips right away. Okay. So there's the pink. Looks like bubblegum pink. So the next one we have is orange. I don't see too much metallic in that pink unless it comes when it dries more. Does this one say metallic? Nope. So this one says metallic pink. This was just orange. Ooh, that's vibrant. We have yellow. Nice. Now, I don't know if every Five Below has these. This is a green. Nice green. We have cobalt blue. Ooh, that's pretty blue. We have another blue. Ultramarine. It's a weird kind of combo. Two blues. Okay, I gotta see some. We'll just do it on this page. So that's the ultramarine. And this is the cobalt blue. Oh, okay. Now that I did them, you can tell the difference. It's hard to tell. This one's lighter. It's lighter. And the last one, metallic purple. Overall, I'm satisfied with them. It's fun. It's like I love doing this. Cool. Now I got some painting paper, which I have plenty of, but I love doing it. So I'd give them a 10. I'm very satisfied with these. So maybe go check out your Five Below if you have one. Not bad for 8 sprays. So I want to thank you for watching. I hope to see y'all next week because Sabrina and I should be going back live next week. I'm feeling much better. My voice is back. It does go hoarse, but not as bad. Right now, it's like later in the day. But at least I ain't sounding like a bullfrog like I was for 14 days. And plus, I gave up count. When it first started, I don't remember, but I was 3.5 weeks. Pretty much sick. The some unknown virus with a very long name that I can't pronounce. Alrighty, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, evening, weekend, and happy Easter. Bye for now, as always. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.